Hey everyone, it's Lisa from DAnaugustnails. Welcome back to my channel and let's hop into the Insta recreation. So guys, it's been a while. I'm sorry. I had some stuff to do, but I am back. Okay, so on the nails we're doing infills, I'm going in with Gershon's base coat, and the nails we actually have to repair, I will be using Clarity from Luminary as a base coat, and I will cure them for 60 seconds. And then I will apply a slip layer of Clarity again on the nails that need a repair. So I'm going to do a slip layer here that I won't cure, and then I'll take some of Clarity and apply it on the inside of these full cover pre-etched tips. Now her nails have a natural curve to them, so I'm not going to apply this nail at the cuticle. I'm going to do it just a little ways down the cuticle to sort of mimic that natural curve. And I actually picked this little tip up from Miss Tabitha Scott Nails. Hello, hunty. She's out here doing nails, doing for the community, the whole thing. So y'all be sure to slip onto that subscription on her channel. So I give that a full cure for 60 seconds, and I'm going in with our Gershon's Clear for the infill. And my brush is lightly coated in Gershon's base coat, and every time I feel it sticking a little bit, I add just a little bit more. So I apply that bead just to the cuticle, and I pat and make sure it's nice and flush at the cuticle area, and then I go to the left side wall, and then I go back to the center of the cuticle, pat, make sure it's nice and flush, and then I go all around to the right side wall, and then I brush the rest of that product down, making sure I leave enough to support a strong apex, because these nails is a little on the lengthy side. And I've got my lamp on low heat mode, and I will do a full cure for 60 seconds because I'm working hand to hand. You feel me? So in that sense, and I know it's going to take me longer than a minute to infill each nail, might as well just let it cure for the full 60 seconds. You feel me? So yeah. Now on some of the nails, I did do like a 2-bead method, I did a 1-bead method. It was all over the place. We just had to get the work done. If you are hearing a bit of echoing, it's because I'm in my bathroom, guys. So my kids went to school. It's virtual. They're still in my house. But I'm okay with it. I mean, we all got to be safe, you know what I mean? So I've just been helping them get to, get where they need to be. Because I don't know. I don't know how you guys are doing with your kids, if you have kids, but this is a shock for these kids, and a lot of them aren't handling it very well. A lot of them are falling behind, and it's a damn shame to say that my kid is one of those. You know what I mean? My little girl. So I spent a lot of time, and I do spend a lot of time every day just sitting right next to her, making sure she's getting it, making sure she's encouraged and reassured that this is not her fault. COVID isn't on you, baby, and we will catch up. So that's what I've been doing. I hope you guys have been good. I hope you guys have been safe, and I hope you guys have been protecting your family, your little ones, comforting anybody that is in need of comfort. Because yeah, man, I know you guys read it on the news, but we are actually in this together. So yeah. So there you can see I did the 2-bead method, but I did it backwards. How am I going to fill out the cuticle before I did the free edge? I don't know. That's what I did though. But this infill stuff, it's making a lot of sense. So this is I should give you a bit of backstory. I did do full cover tips on all of her nails before, and I'm gonna insert the artwork that I did, and we've just been infilling them ever since. So this is her 3rd infill on this original set that I did. So now I'm coming in after I filed, shaved, buffed, all that jazz with Model 1's Christmas tree. Now we're gonna do 3 full covers. This is gonna be the pinky, the ring finger, the thumb. Now, by the 2nd coat, baby, Christmas tree comes to life. It's like when you turn on them Christmas lights, boom, it's officially Christmas. Okay, 2nd coat, boom, it's officially Christmas tree by Model 1. You feel me? Curing for 60 seconds in between coats. Now, I'm going to do like a half of this nail. Half of it's going to be Christmas tree, so I'm busting out my Beauty Galleria detail brush, line down the middle best as I can. Once I'm satisfied, I go ahead and fill it in. 2 coats, 60 seconds in between layers. So now for the other half of the nail and also the index, I'm going in with this color. I think it's 1144. It's also by Model 1's. And I love that Model 1's like polishes. Well, some of them, well, these ones anyway, have that like curved brush makes it super easy to get to the cuticle area. But I do 2 coats of this color, curing it for a full 60 seconds in between layers. I'm gonna do 2 coats. I want this to be on the sheer side. I want it to be a very subtle little blush of pink. I do need to work on getting me some subtle nudes like this. I feel like I only got like 2. So now we're taking Mocha series number 2 from the MIZHSE gel polish series, and we are going in with our leopards, but only on that nude side. It'd be lost on the green. We're not gonna do that on the green. So we're gonna do it on half of the middle finger and the full index. And y'all know these blotches, there's no rhyme, there's no reason, but actually in a sense there kind of is, because you don't want them to be too uniformed, you don't want them to be too scattered, but you don't want them to look like they're like intentional. It's like intentionally, unintentionally. I don't know, but anyway, coming in with MIZHSE. This is another gel polish from the MIZHSE series. I think this is Eternal series number 2 in black. And I'm just going in for the rest of the leopard print. Dotting tool to the world, understand? I will, listen, if I could do all my art with a dotting tool, I would. I really would. So I do cure this for a full 60 seconds. And I was struggling with this because I was like, which glitter am I gonna use? Well, I have this little mini glitter kit from Lavender Violets. It holds like a bunch of these, like about 19 colors. And this is one of these colors. It's like this, I don't want to say coppery, but this like nickel copper, very subtle holographic. Yeah, so I just went down the center of the nail with this, just in case that line wasn't all I wanted it to be, but also more importantly, to add a little pop, a little something extra. And then I said, we need to do something more. So I shaded in a few of those spots with this, and let me just tell you, having that brown, that tan down there, just it intensified the shimmer. Yes, it did, honey. It really did. So then I went ahead and I cured that for a full 60 seconds, okay? And I'm coming in with my top coat, and my top coat is from Lavender Violets, guys. So top coating time, yeah, it means it's the end of the video. I'm happy to be back. I missed you guys. You know, I missed you guys. And you know what? The whole time I was around, like I also was doing nails. So here you go. Love you guys. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on social media. Share the video with someone that you think might want to watch it. I don't know. Do what you gotta do. I appreciate you guys. Here is a video and picture of the finished look. Look forward to the product list below. And I hope I'll be seeing you guys soon. Love you guys for watching. Promise to see you in the next one. Bye.